हेलो एवरीवन, राधे राधे। कैसे हैं आप सब। तो आज मैं आपके साथ बहुत ही टेस्टी रेसिपी लेके आई हूँ। मेघालय स्पेशल रेसिपी है। तो इसे मैं नहीं बनाऊंगी, इसकी खास बात ये है कि इसे मेरी डॉटर बनाएगी और ये इसका स्कूल प्रोजेक्ट है ना, तो उस बनाया था स्कूल के लिए। तो मैंने कहा चलो आपके साथ शेयर कर देती हूँ। अगर वीडियो पसंद आती है और रेसिपी अच्छी लगती है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कर दीजिएगा और चैनल पर न्यू है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। तो चलिए चलते हैं रेसिपी की तरफ।
Hello, my name is Deepshikha Singh and today I am going to make a recipe and this is my holiday homework. So let's start. Recipe of Meghalaya, that is called Puklayan. So let's make our recipe. In this I want a large bowl and 1 cup of rice. I pour this rice in the bowl and I have taken 1 glass of water. This I pour into this. And we soak it for minimum 6 hours. After soaking for 6 hours, we should wash it for 4 to 5 water to clean it. So this is time of after 6 hours and our rice is soaked up, and I also wash it minimum 2 waters, because if we wash it more than 1 or 2 water, its all the nutritious value will become low and our rice has no value. So I will tell you this all ingredients, components of the food.
White rice contains energy, carbohydrates, calcium, iron, thiamine, acid, folate and vitamin E. It contains no vitamin C, vitamin A and is notably low in fibers. This is rice flour. Rice flour is made up of micronized rice grains which retain the essential carbohydrates and protein. Rice flour contains approximately 78% starch and 7% protein. So this is jaggery. Jaggery has 383 calories. It has 85 gram of sucrose and 7 to 15 grams of fructose and glucose. It has 0.4 grams of protein and 0.1 gram of fat. This is salt. Salt is a mineral composed primarily of sodium chloride, a chemical compound belonging to a large class of salts. This is baking soda. It is also called sodium bicarbonate. It is formed by mixing carbon, sodium, hydrogen and oxygen molecules. It is actually a salt. This is water. Water is a substance composed of a chemical element hydrogen and oxygen and exciting in gaseous, liquid and solid states.
So I have tell you all the ingredients or component of food that I have taken. So let's cook our recipe that is very healthy and very tasty. Let's go to cook our recipe. So I have taken a pan and I heat it on high flame, and this I put glass of water. When it heats up, in this I put this jaggery. We should cook it at least 1 minute. So I have heated my water and put my jaggery in this. By this process our jaggery melts, and also after melting this jaggery and this water boils up, we put on side to cool it, to make it liquid like water. In this jaggery water we mix our batter. Boil this jaggery water at least its water becomes half, and also to make it small thick. So our jaggery water is ready. So let's strain it to keep its waste material out. So I have a strainer. I can strain this water to keep its waste out. You see that some waste has come out. So this is the main process to keep out the waste out. It is compulsory process. So now we will cool this water, and then we came to our next process. I have a mixer jar. I have put my all rice in this mixing jar, and I took this water little to make its paste. So we put this water in a little amount in this paste, because we have used for this also in the my rice and jaggery water paste is ready. You see its consistency look like this. Like this its consistency will be. So we will transfer it in a bowl. So our paste is ready. Now our next process is for rice flour and jaggery water. We will make this for our batter. So I have taken a bowl of rice flour. We use a spoon to mix in it because if we add it in one chance, it comes with a lumps. So we add this, and by mixer I add it. You see that? So next. So now we have left our jaggery water. We added few to make our batter. I have added my 3 spoon rice flour. Now I add my last spoon of rice flour and mix it well. We make it thick batter, and after that we use jaggery water to make its perfect batter. So I am adding jaggery water. So now I am mixing it well. Its consistency will look like a ribbon. Like this, it flows like a ribbon consistency. This is 1/4 spoon of baking soda. I am adding it because of to cook our recipe. So I have added it. Now I am adding a pinch of salt to balance our batter. So I have added only 2 pinches of salt and mix it properly. You look, its consistency is like a ribbon. Our batter is ready. It's won't rest for 2 minutes, so we keep it inside, and on one side we put oil to bake it. So I am adding refined oil.
Refined oil consists of sodium hydroxide or sodium carbonate with it.
For once we put our flame on high, but after some time we put it on medium. For making one size of our recipes look, we make it by a spatula for a perfect look. So we pour it in the pan, that is like this. We pour our batter into the pan, and you see this, it has releasing its oil and the pan, so it is coming upper side. After pouring our batter, we don't touch it for 2 minutes. If we touch it, our batter will break down. Like I have taken spoon, we don't touch our batter, we release our oil. We like this, we do like this, we bath our batter. See, bubbles are coming. After 30 seconds, away it on other side to cook its other side that was on upper side. So you see, this one I have pour on another side. It is coming red. You see how beautiful it is looking. So like this method, I will fry all my batter and make my own recipe. So I am putting this puri from the oil and keep it in the plate. By spoon I release all that has contained in our recipe, and by a whole spatula also to release it all the oil that is in the extra oil that is in our puris. Our Meghalaya special recipe is ready. You see, it's looking very crispy and tasty. It is very hot now. We don't touch it for 1 minute. We cool it down. So like this, we cook our all the puris.
Now our all puris are ready. Now I cut it down and tell you how fluffy it is made in inside and also outside. This is Meghalaya special recipe. In our side in UP it is called barya, but it is made out of wheat flour, not of rice flours. Now see the texture of the puri inside of the puri. So a tasty Meghalaya special recipe is ready. Thank you. So my Meghalaya style recipe is ready. I have sent it my school project. That was because it was my project. Then share it with you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press the bell icon button to get all notification of this channel. Bye bye.